All right. So, looks like we're up and running. We're doing something a little bit different today. Going back to last week, I was talking a lot about bit. Actually, I should probably wait for someone to actually show up, and then I'll start explaining it. But doing a little bit of coding first, and then we'll see how it works. While that is going, what I'm going to do is I am going to start looking at arrays for Lua. So Lua array, because we're going to need to make an array for this. Arrays, lua.org. Okay. So I'm going to wait for someone to show up here. Oh, people are already showing up. Good, good. So a little bit of corrupting coding just really quick and see how quickly we can punch this out. And then we are going to go ahead and then move on to actual corrupting, because I'm kind of curious what bit flipping will do. It might do something interesting. It might not. Who knows? Anyway, so let's see here. Okay, so basically, all right. So I'm just gonna copy and actually, we're going to go here, and all right. So we need to make. So if we need to flip bits, since we can only kind of manipulate like a byte at a time usually, we need a way to flip the bit in the byte. And the best way to do that, I believe, would be to just use an exclusive OR and have one bit. So from most significant bit to least significant bit. So hopefully this isn't too boring for you guys. But basically the best way to do that is to do bit array. And then we got to make an array for this. So probably would help if I could do this properly. There we go. So if anyone at any point like wants to say, hey, just start corrupting something, then sure. But if you want to look at kind of the tech stuff, that's kind of what we're doing right now, and then we'll be able to use it once we're done. So I believe it's an angle bracket. So what we want is 0x 101. So that's the least significant bit, and then we're gonna need 8 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the closing angle bracket. So something like this. So that is an array. So we're going to have 1, and then 2, because that's the second bit. Third bit would be 4. Fourth bit would be 8. Fifth bit would be 10. Sixth bit would be 20. Seventh bit would be 40. And last bit would be 80. So that's how we start things off. So now what we need to do is we need to go into this section here really quick. Okay, I'm just making sure that everything shows up here on my end. All right, so basically what we have here is my 32-bit code where it's corrupting the 32-bit location. We don't need to worry about aligning to 4 bytes. So this code here is aligning to 4 bytes. As you can see, it's using a it's how to put this into words. It's using a bit mask to make it divisible by 4. So we don't need this, so we can comment it out so that it can do. I could have sworn it was. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm used to Python. It's double dash. There we go. All right. So yeah, we don't need this. Okay. Anyway, so this will bang 1 is our location where we want to do it. We kind of want to avoid the first 10,000 hex bytes. Just because that's where the BIOS is located, not a good idea. It's you want to corrupt the game data, so that's always a good idea. And then we want to do, we only really want to do 8 values. So we don't need, okay, so we can do, instead of bang2a, we can just call this bang2 because we only really need one of them. So we don't need this anymore. So bang1, bang2. So we don't need this. So we can get rid of it. So, all right, so bang2 is going to be a random value from 0 to 8. So here is where things get interesting. So in order to flip a bit, we actually have to read the byte first, and then I'm trying to remember how this worked. I need to open up another corruption. Let me see here. Like, I don't know. Fuck it. N64 is fine. I need to just read up on this just really quick. All right. So again, if you guys find this too boring, okay, so it's memory write byte. So we need to just kind of grab this, boop, and instead of this, it's like so. Bam! All right, so write byte. So, and it's not 2A, it should be 2. So, but we need to also read the byte. So we need like, so we need to like memory. So we want to just, nice thing about programming is you learn how to copy paste pretty quickly. Like Control C, Control V. So we can just do read byte like this here. So what you want to do is you want to read the byte at bang1. I'm pretty sure I can just do read byte bang1. That should work, maybe, hopefully. So, oh, you know what? I need okay, so we're gonna say bang2. I guess we can do this, and it should actually, yeah. Well, actually, we need the before it's changed because we need to see if it's doing it properly in like the display. So what should we call this? I don't know. We should call it bang unmodified. Let's see. I don't know why this is called bang and bang. Blang Eps Keeper. I'm still using that guy's. That guy's variable names. I'm not a big fan of them. We'll call this unmodified. We'll call it unmodified. So unmodified equals memory read byte bang1. So so it grabs the byte. Then what we want to do is we'll call this bang. So bang2 will now equal. Let me think here. What was the again? I have to look at my other some other code here because I forgot how bitmath works in Lua, so that's fun. So we're gonna open this up. Okay. We want here we are. So this with all right. So yeah, we should be able to get away with this. All right. So sorry. So we're going to do. Oh wait, that's not the right we want here. Okay, so bang2 equals bitband. So we're not going to do and, we're going to do exclusive OR. So we should just be able to do this and it should be fine. So with bang2 against no, I'm sorry, unmodified with bang2. So we're kind of reusing variables here, but it's fine. Should be fine, at least I think. So bang2, and it should be. Wait, hold on. No, I'm sorry. I'm doing that backwards. Should be bit array. with the offset being bang 2. And I should probably math random should be 0, 7 actually now that I think about it. I'm assuming that that in Lua arrays start with the index of 0 instead of 1, hopefully. We'll find out. So bang 2. Because if it doesn't, then it's not going to work, or at least it's not going to work the way it should. So let's hope that I'm right there. So okay, so bang 2 does an XOR with unmodified with whatever's in the bit array. So that should work. So and then we write memory write byte bang 1 bang 2. That should do it. So let's go ahead and save. So well, now what we need to do is we need to change the output. So bang 1. So we're going to do this here. That's kind of covering me up a bit. Actually, I think if I just do this and move my video capture up a bit here. There we go. That's better. All right. So we need to kind of change this to like hex unmodified. Oh, I need to change this from my hex array. I need to change this from 4 to 2 since we don't want it to be 4 characters long. We only want it to be 2 since we're dealing with bytes. So unmodified and hex bang, and then bang 2. So we want to add, so I don't know what sort of symbol we should add. I guess just a standard caret. So something like this, or standard arrow, angle bracket. So I'll have to think of something better than that. All right, so let's load up BizHawk. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be really messy with this and kind of have this. So we'll load up. I don't know. What should we load up? We'll load up. I don't know. We'll load up Doom. Why not? Just give us something. For some reason, Lua is still showing up in front of the. I don't know why. We'll just make that. That's weird. For some reason, it's not wanting to show any output. For some reason. What the fuck? It's... Okay. PlayStation Doom. Let's try that. Will that work? There we go. Yeah, so I don't know why it was not capturing. That was kind of strange. Alright. So, again, this is usually like a first run. So, you know, I wrote the code. That's been in my head the whole week. Okay. I don't know if it's going to work. It's probably has 1 or 2 typos or bugs that I didn't account for. Well, let's see what happens when we load this code and see what goes on. Do you guys think it'll work, or do you guys think that that I fucked up somewhere? So I get the feeling I'm going to run this and it's going to spit out an error immediately because I missed something, which is usually the case when I code. Yes, it did. So let's pause this. All right, so let's look at this Lua exception. Lua script exception, string main 16, bad argument number 2 for format. Number expected got nil. So this is on line 16, so we're here. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why that didn't work. So for some reason it's complaining about oh, you know what? No, that's correct. So modified hex bang 2. Yeah, no, that should all be fine. I don't know. So right now I'm just kind of reading through where I fucked up. That's fine. That's fine. So, okay, so 32, so 320, 32, and then fun times, append that, append a string, then append another hex value, then append another, okay, so, yeah, I have no, let me, equals bit b XOR modified bit array. So I don't know why string main 16 bad argument number 2 to format. So apparently there's an issue with, so let me try something here. So I get the feeling that I'm having some, oh, you know what? I think I know why. There might be unmodified, so that should be the same as there. Okay, that works. All right, so hex unmodified is fine. Hex bang 2 should be fine. So it's passing something that it doesn't like for some reason. Let's see. For some reason, none of this is working. So I want to say it might be this that is. So we're going to. I want to say just to let's see, print unmodified, because that would be an issue if it's returning some sort of null value or something like that. So let's try that and see what happens. So it's not even getting there. So I didn't change anything other than like this. All I changed was this. So I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to think why that would happen. Let me see here. Why would it be complaining about? Okay, let's just try really quick. We're going to try something a little bit different. So we're going to copy this, comment this out, and oh, it's probably not going to let me do this, but we'll see. Let's have it not call that really quick. All right, and then save and see what it does. Still attempt to oh, it's a nil value. Okay. So attempt to concatenate global unmodified it's a nil value. So apparently I think memory read byte doesn't work. So I have to go into so that's why nothing's working. So BizHawk, let's go and find out why that's happening. All right, so yeah, I guess that would make sense. So BizHawk, Lua. Where's the Lua? Okay, Lua functions. Here we go. So I need to read this really quick. Memory. All right. So I was guessing it was okay. So as an unsigned byte. So memory.readByte should work. Yeah. So unmodified equals memory.readByte bang 1, which should work. Why doesn't it work? I don't know. So okay, what we're going to do at this point is we're going to kind of okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to comment this out because we don't need it right now. We just need to figure out why this isn't working. So we're going to comment that out. I know you can't see it because I haven't changed the I kind of need to make the Lua back up here, and it's not letting me for some stupid reason. OBS is just not liking me today, apparently. Or rather, I could just do this, and that should work. No, apparently it's not showing me the window. Don't know why. This is terrible. I don't know why. Oh, you know what? I need to have it visible. That's why. Okay. So we've kind of commented like this out. I need to pay more attention to my to my Lua window. And I also need to pay attention to my live stream thing. I've been experimenting with bit flipping and BizHawk for quite some time, and I can tell you from experience it can give quite different results from replacing with purely random bytes. This is mostly because you will hit binary flags, and you'll less often break strict data structures without destroying the mold entirely. So yeah, I was kind of thinking that like changing bits would be a good idea. I've just got to figure out why read byte isn't working for some stupid reason. All right, so we've kind of just disabled using the hex. So, all right. Oh, you know what? You know what would probably help, Brad, if you actually, saved the script. There we go. All right. So, okay, that's a good sign. So now what we need to do is we need to play this a bit. So I took out the hex stuff. So now what I need to do is I need to unpause it and figure out what... Oh, okay. That's different. I got a new exception, so that helps. All right, so attempt to call global bit array. Uh, so this is in 31. So I mean it's a table value. So apparently I'm not doing Lua arrays correctly. So hold on. It should be. Oh wait, hold up. Ah, it's so when you assign an array, you have to use angle brackets, but when you reference an array, you have to use square brackets. But why? Okay. Yeah, I guess that could make sense. I'm not good with arrays, can you tell? All right, so we need to fix that. So we're going to go back, and it's not angle brackets, it's square brackets. So, whoops. All right, let's run it again and see what happens. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to unpause and figure out 255, 0, 128, 0, 0, 0. So, okay. So that's a good thing. It was reading random bytes in memory, and that's good. That's what we want. So, although I hit a Lua exception, invalid arguments to method call. So, are arrays in shit. Are arrays in Lua, do they start with 1? Because that would be shitty. Because it seems as though it was working for a while and then it hit like either 0 or 7. So say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 8 items in my array. Arrays initial. Let's see here. So, however, it is customary in Lua to start arrays with index 1. Oh, fuck you. Why would you go against common programmer knowledge, or not knowledge, but common programmer consensus that arrays should start with 0? What the fuck? Okay, well, that's a quick change to our code. So instead of doing 0 to 7, you'd have to do 1 to 8. Okay, sure. Like, let's do that. This is Brad's crash course in Lua, just diving in and seeing what works. I think that's how most programmers learn a new language is they dick around with it and then they fix the bugs, and then that's how they figure out how the language fucking works. So 1 to 8. 1 to 8. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run the script again. So now it should just load. So now let's unpause. So 0 to 5, 0, 12, 3, 3, 32, 16, 1. All right, so that's good. We know that it's reading valid memories. It's not a nil value anymore. So now that we have fixed some of the code in here, let's see what happens when we do this. So now we're going to try and use the hex. So, okay. So now this should start working. Wait, what the fuck? So, okay, so we'll unpause it. That looks like it is changing bits randomly. Would you guys agree? So if we were to pause it, so changing from 0 to 8, that's changing a bit. Oh, it crashed. So going from 9 to 1, that's flipping a bit. Going from 0 to 10, that's flipping a bit. So it looks like I had to change a few things, but it looks like it's working. It only took me 30 minutes. So let's have some fun. Let me get rid of this Lua window here. Let's see here. Just remove. Yes, I want to remove Lua. Now, BizHawk is not showing, so there we go. All right, so let's now that we've got it working, I also want to really quick comment this out because we don't really need to debug. We don't really need to debug this anymore. So that is some beautiful code, isn't it? All right. Sorry, I'm pretty proud of myself for getting that working in a relatively short amount of time. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's see what happens with Doom since we already got this loaded. So yeah, let's see. And this is working. Okay, so I have no idea if this is any better than you know, like fucking doing a byte or doing 32 bits. But I'm probably going to have a much easier time with this, just because, you know, we're only changing literally 1 bit. So wait, did that say 00 to 00 at some point? Because if it did, then I fucked up. But anyway. So, yeah, it definitely looks like it's working, which is really fucking cool. I'm going to have to double check my XOR math. Oh, hey, check it out. I've already got, like... some corruptions there. So, I think that's something that we saw, like last... Oh, it's still showing the output. Oh, I forgot to save it, I think. Oh well. Anyway. So this is a lot more stable, but at the same time, it's not really doing much. So there's a trade-off here. Where, you know, you're not corrupting as much. You're just corrupting 1 bit at a time. But it could prove to be interesting. Is it? Yeah, it's this. Those are the buttons. Shit. Ow. I should have dodged the other way. Oh well. So. Oh god. We're getting like a strobe effect now? That's kind of weird. Okay. That's different. I am going to give my going to give my viewers epilepsy. I also noticed something. I don't have the live stream. Okay. All right. So anyway, why is this not? Why is this still? Oh, you know what? I probably need to reload the fucking. There we go. All right. That's why. All right. So I forgot I didn't have the chat open. Oh, NES Du Bois is here. Yes. So something you could also look into would be flipping adjacent groups of 2 or 4 bytes that are on a 32-bit alignment. This got an effective change in the order of how some instructions execute. I don't think I'm gonna go that far, but you might want to like explain what you mean. Oh, I see. Just byte swapping, I guess. like swapping bytes or swapping words. I don't know how well that would work with R3000. Because if you swap bytes or words in an instruction, uh, bad things will happen. So, but like I said, interestingly enough, I might want to, if I'm just flipping bits here, what I may want to do is, man, that's flashy. So what I may want to do is increase. Oh, hey, Chetmax zone size changed. Oops. Anyway, I may want to increase the number, maybe by 8 or by 6. So maybe doing a bit change every 10 frames instead of every 60. What do you guys think? Should I increase it, or should I just, you know, keep it as is? What do you guys think? I'm actually kind of tempted to try a game that wasn't very good at these things and see what happens. In any case, I'm still kind of proud of myself for my bit flipping implementation, you know, utilizing XOR. I thought that was clever. Was it clever? Yes, it was, Brad. Okay, good. You know, so... Alright. Because just flipping, you know, one bit each time is kind of showing to be like... whoa! Okay. I don't know what I just did. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, it's fine now. It was just a bit fucky for like a moment. Maybe. Yeah. I have this working with 64-bit MIPS. Oh, okay. I'd have to take a closer look at that, I guess, but, Oh, you're dead. Okay. So. Oh, that didn't work. I guess we're stuck here. So, you know, of course, you know, it's flipping bits and instructions too, so it's doing a bunch. I don't know. Should I try a game that doesn't work very well and see what happens? Maybe. I don't know. I think whenever I try to go across certain sectors, it doesn't work. Oh no. It let me in. Okay, that's cool. I don't know. Let's see how well this works elsewhere. Let's open ROM. But let's do like a role-playing game because I always thought that was pretty fun. Let's see. Oh, increase. Yeah, I might. Let's see here. I am in the wrong directory. What am I doing? Okay. We'll do... Okay. Could be interesting. Oh, wait, shit. It's not working again. What did I... Oh, that's weird. Hold on one second. Let me pause. So, I changed something and it stopped working. But apparently it works if I... Oh, I think that might be... Hold on. Ah, I think I know why. I think I forgot a semicolon. That makes sense. That's why everything was not work. I hate that about my about C-based languages where you need like semicolons everywhere. And for some reason that worked because yeah, I don't know why. But so none of that should have worked at all. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. So I don't know what it was doing. So let's try this now. Are you gonna load? No, we're still getting... Oh, you know what? Maybe we need semicolon. How the fuck does... Sorry. It was working, now it's not working. I've jinxed it. Bad argument. Number expected got nil. Let me go back a bit here. Let me go back to when it was working and save it. And then I gotta figure out why it's... No, 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 that's not working either. Wait, hold on. Control Z. Okay, now save. Yeah, I've broken it. I don't know why that stopped working. Uh, Hold on. I need to think here. Um, God damn it. Everything was working well, and then it stopped working. Why? Um, some of these have. So, I'm looking at. So, I'm looking at my code. Some lines have semicolons, some lines don't have semicolons, and I don't know why. Um, so I'm gonna add semicolons to things until it works again, I guess. Um, Hold on. It's still giving me shit about. Hold on one second. Let me look at Lua like a. So I'm looking at this Lua code and Lua and hold on, semicolon. I broke it. I just fucking broke it. Lua semicolon conventions. Okay, so it's like apparently they're optional and um hold on. Hold on one second. Okay. All right. So semicolons in Lua are generally only required when writing multiple statements on a line. So you don't need them. So why do I even have them? Okay, I'm gonna clean this up. So, um, give me like 2 seconds. So there's another reason why it's not working. So, let's do this. Let's see here. Control H. Find semicolon and just erase them. We don't need semicolons in Lua apparently. So that was so replace all, go away. All right, so that's clean. All right, so and we'll save that. And it's probably still not going to work, but well, maybe, nope. All right, so let me read through this here. There's a reason why this is not working. See, now I'm just annoyed because I had it working and now it's not working anymore. So it's going back to local function hex val. Val is then return val. Number expected got nil. I'm wondering if okay, so frame count equals frame hit. Okay, bang equals that. So it should read. So it should print unmodified before it gets to. And it okay. So it gets to 60, gets to total size of RAM, and then then it runs through the while true. I'm gonna add a quick print here. Print, I don't know, bullocks. I need to figure out exactly where this is where this is breaking. So let me save. Oops, let me save, not select all. So everything was working. What the hell happened? All right, so okay, so it gets to that. That's good. So why does it not get to print modified? Because it hits a snag there. So my apologies if this has gotten boring again. Right now I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. So bear with me. So, let's. Oh, okay. So maybe. Oh, okay. So it's skipping all. Oh, maybe that's why. I know why. Because I need to initialize unmodified. Unmodified needs to be 0 before it starts to print anything. That's what's happening. I know what's happening. Okay, so unmodified. I figured it out. Equals 0. So that's why it's not working. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now if we load it, everything's working now. So yeah, because each frame it has to run that writing to the okay. I see now. Now we're good. Now we're good. All right. So actually, let me stop the script a bit and pause. I should I should I should get rid of that debug command because it's slowing the script down. There we go. All right. Now let's reload it. Now we're good. Now it's working. All right. I should initialize my variables more. I still like what I did with my script. It's Tall Cloud. Or something. Look at this. It's a very strange... Oh, I missed. That's bullshit. Oh god. So interestingly enough, I think bit flipping is probably your best bet. So I'm gonna dick with this around a bit, and then maybe have like maybe have something along the lines of increasing it to maybe 8 times, something like that. We still got some weird fucking some really strange camera angles. Wait. Hold on. Hey guys. Can those do fire? I guess so. I can't remember if they can or not, but my god. I think he forgot to do the dance. Maybe. I also remembered that I don't have my window open. Anyways. Alright. Let's reload it. Oh, F1. Kirby Pink, Poyo. Poyo indeed. Poyo indeed. What? Oh god. He has a terminal illness. What the fuck? It's like certain parts of his body... Oh, it's not gonna let me go much further than that, is it? That's bullshit. Alright. See what we get this time. Did you hear that tongue like that? Oh well. Honestly, I think leaving it at this current rate is just fine. Because if I increase it, it's just going to be a lot harder to do anything with it, so... I think we're just going to keep it like this for a while. Cookies for everyone. Okay. Aw, come on. There we go. I am getting hungry. I wonder what the wife wants for lunch today. It's around the time that we actually start, you know, considering lunch. Alright. Yeah, it's my first time in the reactor. Shut up. I kind of felt like this bit corruption was kind of like a coding exercise for me, just to see if I could figure it out, and I did. So I'm kind of proud of myself. Let's see. Sometimes I wonder if I could be a professional programmer, and then I remember that like I am easily overwhelmed by large tasks, and I also have I also hate writing, honestly. So that's another thing that, you know, wouldn't make me a good programmer, because I just dread working every day, you know. All right, come on, let's go. Ah, come on. Let's try it again. Wish my name was Tom Scripps. Why would you want your name to be Tom Scripps? Programming is tedious. See, that's why that's why I don't think I would like it. That's why I leaned more towards being like a computer engineer or technician, because it's always like a new problem that you're trying to solve usually, you know. So it's something where, you know... Oh god, what is this guy's name? Oh, actually, hold up. It is some ancient text. It's like, it's like the whole text writing routine has been fucked, which is kind of cool. It's a reference no one would get. Oh, okay. In terms of programming, so you're saying that I should get into NES Homebrew? Yeah, maybe. The thing is, like, when it comes to programming your own thing, you need to have an idea, and I don't have ideas. If I was to make something, I'd want something to be fun and original, and I don't have any fun or original ideas. I like to figure things out. I don't like to make things, usually. Except for my videos, of course, but that's a derivative of other people's work, so I don't know if that really counts. I could write my own NES game. Yeah. I believe you. Dun-dun. Hey, come on. Okay. Let's see if we can get far here. The thing about role-playing games is it's so boring. I mean, role-playing games aren't boring. I love them, but corrupting, they're boring. Let's see if this loads. Oh, it loaded. Cool. Sure, I'll push the button here. I'll push the button between your legs. I'll push any button. All right. They made Jessie into this totally thirsty chick, apparently, in the remake. So, in the remake, she'd want me to push her button. All right. Push. Push, rub, wiggle, whatever. All right. Yeah, just time and effort. Yeah, I figured as much. I know that I can probably code something better than Action 52 if I took enough time with it. Let me out. It's not loading. I'll do this a little bit longer. I'm trying to think what other games were there that had, like, difficulty. Man, I'm hungry. Interesting place for it to crash. Is that gonna be... Yeah. I corrupted the battle transition, I'm guessing? Yeah, I think so. Whatever routines are used to load up the battle are alright. I'm still, like, keeping, like, a steady eye on my thing here. Here we go. I should modify the script so that it doesn't draw anything during its initial loop, so I don't have to like initialize the variables each time. And so it doesn't show at the very beginning 8000000. I think that would be better. Honestly. All right. I could change a few things and make it work a bit better, but I'm lazy. Again, it's changing Xkeeper's code, you know, so I should have just written it from scratch, but I am lazy. Oh God, what happened to Biggs's fucking arm? Sorry, I had to make a machine gun joke there. All right. That's straight funny. I'm a funny guy. All right. I was going to suggest games this week, but was extremely busy. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Should we do bit flipping, byte corruptions, or double word corruptions? Car game with RPG elements. Drive in an endless loop of road, grab coins, get new upgrades for the car, and repeat. Pimp up your car with colors and accessories. I mean, some games kind of have that where, for example, like I think the Need for Speed game. Oh, that's cool. Just have like a little tiny box there. Let's see if we can skip over it here. Let's try this again. I think the text drawing routine is broken. Oh wait, there we go. All right. I'll say this had very nice, beautiful backgrounds, you know, way back when. Holds up pretty well, except for the models. The models are trash, but everything else is nice. Like the environment artists, they did a pretty good job. Another thing to racer or a helicopter. I mean, the gameplay mechanics would be the same. But yeah, I was gonna say like Need for Speed. You know, you get style points when you're driving, and you can use those style points to upgrade your car. So not totally original. I mean, I don't know. But to code like a racing game for the NES, it would be a very terrible first project. Just because the way that NES games did a lot of racing games involves a lot of scan line timing, horizontal scroll manipulation, where it's not easy to do, and I can't do anything. Okay, let me go ahead and reload it. Oops, why did I do that? There we go. Wrong button, Brad. All right. Ooh. Oh, hello. That's pretty. Oh god, I completely corrupted VRAM. Whoops. Yeah, good luck playing the game with, like, Clown Vomit for, Wait, hold up. He's still there, dude! like you didn't actually kill him. He's still alive. It's kind of cool. All right. This is going to be like blah, 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 blah. Just like a sea of red vomit with green bits in it. Boom. I need to like load. I need to play through this game a bit more and just load like an area that has like a lot more battles. What is that? What is that supposed to be? This like this here. I can't remember. Try again. Oh well. Oh, you know what? I think it's supposed to be the arrow. That's right. Okay. Can you get programs that can be prepared with stuff so coding isn't the issue and spending time on art and ideas? I mean, there are, like, you know, game-making programs where you don't have to deal as much with the code, but if I was to make anything, I'd want to code the whole thing myself because, you know, I'd want to, you know, make sure everything works the way that I want it to. So yeah. Oh, hey, Plasma Cube. Oh, we got, like, a little bit of polygon corruptedness there. Let's see. I was also thinking another thing that I might want to try is just noping double words, so just zeroing them out, because it could prevent crashes, but everything would get zeroed out, you know. Yeah, if I was to code anything, I'd probably use my own tools. Although, when it comes to my main run corrupting, I do use modules just because it's easier that way. So when it comes to certain things, I'll use other tools. Like I use the random.org randomization tool, which I had to fix myself, by the way, because it uses a deprecated function, timekeeping function that got discontinued in like Python 3.8 point something, and I actually had to change that in order to get the module to work again. So that was fun. So sometimes I'll use other tools, but I think if I was to make my own game, I'd want to write my own engine. So. But like Python is just something where I want to just make something really quick and have it work. I don't want to kind of really dick around with it too much. I get the feeling, yeah, that's not going to work. So we'll do like one or two more of these. But again, I will say this one more time. I am pretty proud of myself for making this bit flipping, you know, thing. Although I don't think oh yeah it did it there. Never mind. I was about to say I don't think I've seen it flip a bit off, but I did see it briefly there, so that's good. All right. Oh, I guess it won't let me do that. All right, do one or two more of these. We started a bit late, so we're going to end a bit late. Yeah, so this script is working as intended, so I'm happy. Yay. How is it? I'm not too sure which design you're referencing, but okay. I suppose. I never played Super Mario RPG. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of role-playing games I need to get around to playing, and Super Mario RPG is one of them. So, yeah. Do 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 do. Might want to modify my script just to make it like a little bit more sane. To not have it right at the very first frame would probably be a good idea. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, I'll push that button. Come on. Let's see if we can get further. Nice. Alright. That is pretty. Oh, come on. Let's see if we can get pretty far here, and if not, this might have, like, we'll try one more time. Yeah, that should do it. Alright, I'm going to talk to my wife and figure out what she wants to eat. And then, turn this off. And then I've got work. But I am thinking about rewriting the script a bit just so that you don't run into those initialization problems like right off the bat. It shouldn't be writing 0 values in the beginning. That's the problem. So I'll have to figure something out. But in any case, hope you enjoyed this code tutorial slash bit flip corruption that I decided to do this time. But so that's why I like to do small programming things, because it's solving an algorithmic problem, and I like doing that, but I don't like writing and creating things. It's kind of weird. So anyways, see you guys later. Bye for now.